Alright, just do a test shot of your machine. I did put a lot of coffee in the filter. Just going down a little bit. I'm just gonna do this shot really long, just to see how the temperature changes. It's just the temperature, it's pretty stable. 27. That's a real long shot. Okay. And there is a little bit of lag in the measurement, but it went all the way down to 196, 195. And you can see here that dot showing up is showing that it's heating the brew boiler, or that the heating element's on. So let's see how well it recovers. And that lag in the measurement is pretty normal. You see that sort of thing in a lot of machines where, like, even if you finish the shot, the temperature will seem to continue to decrease. But as you can see here, it's going up. And it seems to like to hover about at 199, not exactly 200, but the difference in 1 degrees Fahrenheit. You can adjust that in the settings, just increase the temperature at 1 degree, whatnot, to get it so the red temperature is desired temperature. I can do that with my machine. And that's just due to like how the PID works. It uses an algorithm to get to the right temperature and make sure it doesn't overshoot the temperature, things like that. Yeah, that was a really long shot. So the shots you'll be typically making at home won't decrease the temperature by, what was it, 6 degrees like you saw here. So I'd say that's a pretty good recovery. Let me know what you think.